I just flew through that ship. I just flew my physical ship through another. Okay, no, that's fine. You know, the general laws of physics. It's not necessary. It's not needed. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay.
That must be the ship that will transport the bomb.
Really? I would have never guessed.
Great work, detective.
I'm gonna go.
Double tap the R1 button to activate
Don't
hover.
care. It's a worthless thing. Like, literally, that one's worthless. That one. Oh god. Slingshot. Go. Downhill. Go. That's how you instantly stop. Just slingshot something and you'll stop in play. Halfway down the mountain? Oh, it stops. Just stops you. I don't know how someone could fail that, honestly, but I'm sure it's been done. Follow what the game tells you to. No. Fuck you. Okay. What the hell is that? Oh, that's a ways away. I thought that was like a secret for a second that I've never found or something. Oh, that went well. Okay. Okay. No. No. Bad thing. No, 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 no. Bad. Me and your mother talked about your violence. No more biting. No more biting. Guys, we talked about the biting. Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. No. Oh god. Did it. Did it.
Oh, heck.
Is there a problem, sir?
Y'all wouldn't have any spare parts, would you?
Help yourself.
Oh, that's mean.
These dang rocks are too tough. I keep breaking my drill.
That rock is raritanium.
Let me look at that drill.
Well, shoot my dog and call me Sally.
Okay.
Thanks, partner.
No
Where's your
problem.
dog? I'll
I
shoot
suppose I
it for
can take
you,
that
but
rock off your hands.
I don't really want to call you
Here
Sally.
you go.
Yes, raritanium. Perfect. That was perfectly placed. Like, I think that's the only reason that's here. No. No. Oh god. Okay. No matter what I do, I'm gonna take damage. Oh god. Might as well challenge myself a little while I'm here. Oh god. No. 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 Fuck! Oh, that almost went really badly. Yeah, I'm not gonna challenge myself. It's not worth the skill point. It's not worth the bolt. Like, I'm gonna be honest. Now, how do I deal with that? There you go. Perfect. I wonder what's up here. I honestly kind of forget. Nope, nope. There you go. There you go. This is the rest of the mission. Okay. So I'm gonna do some hydro displacement. I'm gonna displace some hydro. Here? Wait, what's in here? Okay, it's just some crappy cave. Oh. I don't know how that little tube equals that, but I'll accept it. Okay, come on. There you go. Perfect. I have a feeling this isn't the one I'm supposed to be using, which kind of scares me. I have a feeling I shouldn't have been able to get up there. But of course, I've been wrong before, so yeah. Up, up. There's still water in it. Because you can see the little blue line. Okay, now. I want to go somewheres. Here? There we go. And while I'm here, why not go get a gold bolt? And hey, look! No more fucking bar on the right side. Hallelujah. What the hell did all this money come from? Whatever. I'll just accept it. Okay, so as soon as I step out of inside, it should be cold, technically speaking. Obviously, it's not because it's a video game, so it's like, nah, you're warm. You're fine. In reality, I would be freaking freezing right now. Okay, so, might as well talk about some fun stories as that happened as of late. So as of recording this, it's gonna be Tuesday, the 9th of February. So as of recording this, I'm currently excited for next Sunday. I think I've talked about this before while playing Ratchet and Clank. I'm going to hang out with another YouTuber, 50s Viking. He's with the Threshold channel and whatnot. And I'm currently excited because we have a couple games that we're gonna be playing during that get together, and we're recording them, of course. And I'm currently, they've probably already come out, honestly, but currently I'm kind of nervous because I don't know what games he's gonna get me to play. Because there's gonna be a challenge game, and then I think there's gonna be a multiplayer game. And all I know about the challenge game is it's an arcade game from
Hey, buddy,
the
what's shaking?
70s.
Oh my goodness.
So I don't know what to expect.
Just a little angel.
I don't know how hard it's gonna be. I don't know how long I'm gonna play. So I'm
You're
kind of
funny,
nervous of
too.
that.
Yeah, looks aren't everything.
You be nice. I think I got something special for you. How would you like a hydro pack upgrade?
That would be quite helpful for swimming underwater.
Whatever.
There you go, sweetie.
Thank you.
You look so handsome.
Thank you, miss. Your craftspersonship is excellent.
If you two are through,
Jealous?
You come back and see me any old time.
Wink.
Your
Never
hydro
see her
pack will
again.
automatically equip when you are swimming.
Literally never see her again. What else has happened as of late that's interesting? Been working, that's normal for me. Yeah, not much else. Other than, like, I started my new semester at school because, you know, school, good for you. I don't need the Devastator. Stop telling me I need the Devastator because I don't need the Devastator. You whore. Buy our shit. Buy our shit. Hey, look. Buy our shit. I don't want your shit. Fuck off. Fuck off with your shit. So, yeah. Starting a new semester. Quite a slack semester, if I do say so myself. So, I'm hoping to have more time to record and whatnot, especially since I'm getting less hours at work. I won't have any homework, not like I do it anyways, but yeah. So hopefully I should be recording a lot more between recording on for YouTube and streaming and hanging out with people and recording, because I do have a couple people in mind that I want to get together with and record, so. At some point I want to do a little record with my girlfriend. Don't know what we're gonna play, but we'll find something. Oh god. And I still need to get through all of the Ratchet and Clank series before the new game comes out. Hopefully I can get enough uploaded before that comes out, because I do want to put out at least one video, so, you know, just enough for like the first episode type deal, and like I want to put that out the first day of it coming out, just because I am super hyped for it. I can't wait for it. Want it already. Hey guys. That's really awkward. Just walking in, like, the first time I walked in the back way, I look in, I'm like, oh, hi, 50 enemies, what the fuck? Because they're just all standing there waiting. They're like, okay, where's our queue? Where's our queue? Let's go. Let's do this. And you're like, what the fuck? Oh god, okay, I didn't expect that. I panicked. I panicked real hard. Ugh.
We are too late. The ship is leaving.
hang on. There's an old defense turret over there. Hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I sincerely doubt it.
I sincerely doubt it. Ow! Why can those things hit me from way over there? Fuck that shit. Man. Oh god. Oh god. This isn't cool, dude. What? Where did it go? Like, the turrets can shoot me. These assholes will shoot me and hurt me a lot. Can't fucking block their defenses. As soon as they get on the screen, you're supposed to fucking pelt them with bullets. Because they're fucking assholes. Boo, 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 boo. Oh, God. No, guys, come on, let's talk about this. And then they start popping up where you can't see them because you don't have anything to shoot over there. So they're just there, right? Oh god. Oh, too much. Oh god, there. Fuck, I didn't see this guy. Oh god, no. I also can't see my health at all because my mic is in the way, so I don't know where my health is. Sadly. I think it's halfway. Pew, 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 pew. There we go. Perfect. Hey, little buddy. What's up?
Men, you are about to embark on a very dangerous mission. We will be launching a heavily armed surprise attack from our new moon base against a completely unarmed planet.
Jesus.
Actually, that doesn't sound too dangerous. Nevertheless,
It's
the
dangerous.
orders are simple. Destroy anything that moves.
Oh.
Steal the power generators from Gorda City. Then destroy anything that doesn't move. Oh, and don't forget, have fun.
So their
must get
goal
to the
is
moon
to
base
destroy
and stop
everything?
No, we have to get to the moon base to find Quark. If Drek is there, Quark is probably with him.
But Drek is going to destroy that city. We must get to the base.
That's what I said.
No, that is what I said.
Fine.
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 Jesus, what a fucking petty fight. Fine. 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 God. I hate you. I hate you too. This map is rather small, surprisingly. At least I find it surprising. We need to get to the moon base. No, we need to get to the moon base. No, we need to get to the moon base. That's what I said. Okay, why the fuck is there ships flying through mountains?